Revivers. Hey my revivers, this is going to be a quick video. I found my fabric. I have a couple boxes of fabric and I end up finding bags of fabric, and I end up finding this, and I got this black and then I got this blue. This was for a project for someone. I end up not using it. It's really not my taste, but yeah, this blue and this green is. I love those. You know, those are my two favorite colors. Lime green's been my favorite color since I was little. Okay, it's like everybody loves lime green now, or saying it's their favorite, but it's because now lime green is trending and neon green is trending, but y'all know how that goes. So, anywho, I wanted to show y'all how I'm going to do a really quick reupholster of a stool, and I'm going to show you the stool and the reason why I'm choosing lime green. So if you're new to my channel, you know that, you won't know that my living room is lime green, and I did a DIY on these here, which are actually sheets from Walmart, and they puddle all the way down on the floor, which is the bomb, is why I love them, because it's hard to find really high curtains. So I am going to reupholster this chair because my husband and I always sit here, and I got these antique chairs. I love them, love them, love them. Like when we sit, our heads are like really like right here. That's how high it is. And my husband's head is like right there, and he's 6'5". So these are some huge chairs. Don't know if I'm going to reupholster them, but they kind of go with the flow, so I'm going to leave them like they are for right now. But anywho, this is the little bench, and my daughters had reupholstered this a couple years ago when we first moved here, and they had it in their room. Then they didn't want it in the room. It was in the garage, and I was like, you know what? I need something to throw my feet on, even though I have these, but they're full of like our karaoke mics and then games and then extra covers and stuff for if we're on the couch, and I don't like to pull that big old heavy thing over. It's not really heavy, but I would rather just have this because I use it as a little table / remote holder, whatever, and prop my feet up on it. So I'm going to just reupholster this little bad boy, and this is all you are going to need. A staple gun with staples, some scissors, and the fabric. So watch me reupholster this really fast. Just a quick unedited video just to show you how it's done. So since it's not a voiceover or anything, I'm going to be talking in the video and kind of peeking to make sure I'm staying in the screen, but I don't want my body in it because I'm in my loungewear and I am free chesting, if y'all know what that means. So yeah, you just put this over it, and you want it to at least be enough fabric to fold under so you can staple it. So simple. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if I want to not have the creases, I can try to make sure I find a space on here that gives me a good piece without the creases, but that might be hard. And these will definitely fall off. The actual creases will go after a while, and then if you pull it tight, it won't be so bad. So I'm going to try to get right to the corner because I don't want to waste any fabric. So I'm going to pull it, try to make sure it's lined up even. I'm doing this at an angle. It's so weird, but still trying to make sure I'm in the camera. And yeah, you want to get this fabric I got from Walmart, and it was actually $1 a yard. So yeah, it was so worth it. It was on sale when I got it. So I'm just going to cut. These scissors suck, but I'm going to cut as straight as I can. Mind you, you will not see these cuts, so it does not really matter how straight it is. So I'm going to cut as straight as I can, enough for it to wrap, as I said. And then I'm going to cut this side here as well. And that is it. Once I cut this, guys, I'm going to flip it over and staple it. That is it. And show y'all. I'm going to do one side, then flip it back, only because I want it to be tight, and I want y'all to see that it is tight. I hope my daughter put more staples in here. Should have staples in it. So we're going to make sure it's nice and tight, and you can take and fold this one good time and then bring it up. So always start from the middle and get you a nice staple part there, like that. Oh no, that was the last staple, I think. Hold on, wait, let's see. Oh, no, it wasn't. So then I'll just flip it back over like this. and then pull it tight. That was a little crooked, but oh well. I'm just trying not to get in the camera, y'all. Try not to get in the camera. So then I'll go on the other side and do the same thing. And then I'll go around and staple all the other spots. So I'm going to fold it where it's really tight. Like that, if y'all can see. So simple. If you find a little stool at the Goodwill or something, just grab it. It could be used for many things. You can always change the fabric. Basically, this is less than like 25 cents worth of fabric. And now it's going to look like it's not so out of place in the living room when I utilize it versus that bright pink that matched the girl's bedroom. Let me see. All right. Making sure I'm in the camera, guys. Making sure I'm in the camera. So, I'm just going to go around. And you won't even see the bottom, so it really doesn't even matter like that. And then I'm going to fold this corner here like that on top of each other. And then staple. And then pull this up, staple. Pull this up, staple. Like I said, you're not going to even see this when I flip this back around. So it is not that serious. So that's why I didn't fold it like I did the other side. And then you could just pull that, flip that right around, staple that, staple it again for this little corner. Let's staple it again, like so. Y'all see? Already looking brand new and looking spiffy. So I'm going to flip it over, finish this, and guess what, guys? That is a quick way to reupholster something that you want to utilize but make it fit your decor. And that's it. Since you can't see it, that's why I wasn't, and because I'm not editing this video, I'm not trying to make it real long. So, missed the staple. Hopefully I'm not out of staples. That would suck to get all the way to the end. Yep. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me pause this. Right to the end. See how disrespectful? So I think we're good now. Let's see. I thought I put it in right. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. Hold on, y'all. Okay. We're in there like swimwear. Click, click. Click, click. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. And the extra just because. There we go. A nice stool that I can use, and it matches my living room. So, alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. No editing. See you guys in the next video. And like I told you, see stuff like this, I can jump on and do this with you guys. Because yeah, I definitely do not want to do any editing. And now I can slide that bad boy over and still utilize it. And it matches the decor, as I said before. So I'm going to get this mess cleaned up. And look for fabric in your local Walmart. Look for fabric in your local Walmart. If you have multiple staple guns, this is what I do. I put the staple guns with the actual staples because all of the staples don't fit the same guns. And sometimes they'll grab for a gun and they can't find the staples. So this is a great way to keep them together so you know those staples go with that gun. This is one of my favorite guns. I had another one, but I don't know. It got jammed. And when I did my mom's room project, when I remodeled her room, I actually got this one. I've been in love with this. And it was really inexpensive. I got this from Lowe's. And so, yeah, look around for fabrics in your local Walmart. Look for their clearance. Like right now, they have a lot of the winter, like thicker fabrics like this on sale at Walmart for like $2. I think the highest I seen was $3 a yard. So take a look at your local Walmart and see what kind of fabrics you can find to reupholster pillows or stools like I just did. Just anything that is small and you just want to not get rid of it, but it's irritating you the way it looks, but you need to do something to fancy it up. Check out your local Walmart. And I'm getting ready to show you the stool again. Let me remove this stuff. So that is her again. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm so sorry if I keep saying that. But I love you guys, and remember to stick to your script because you are the best at it. And I will see you guys later, Gators.